Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are coming back, welcome. And for those of you who are new, subscribe, join the fam. Today's video is going to be on affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm going to explain a little bit about how it works. Okay, so affiliate marketing is, let's say you go in to a company, and let's say one of the biggest companies right now is Amazon for the affiliate marketing, which they're very highly known for their affiliate program. So if you go in and let's say you go into their website, you see everything that they have posted. Okay, so if you sell one of those products, let's say the product costs like $100. So if they're offering, let's say 10-15%, let's make it 15% commission. Commission is what they pay you out of every product that sells. Let's say if the product is $100, that $100, if you sell one of those items that's worth $100, you just made yourself $15. Why? Because 15% of $100 is $15. Okay, so that's basically how how commission works in an affiliate program. So Amazon is one of the biggest companies that does offer the affiliate program. I know there are so many other ones. There are people who have promo packs. There are people who have courses and everything that they sell, that they are also offering the affiliate program, that if you go in and you sell their product, they give you a commission out of every sale that they make. It's not just a one-time thing. It's as many as you sell. So let's say if you sold 500, guess what? You're getting 15% out of those 500 items that you sold for them. Basically, it's 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 if the items cost $100. It is not just narrowed down to one item. It's basically their whole store, their whole website. Anything you sell, you will get a commission. So, but you have to join their affiliate program. You can't just go in and sell their product and then expect them to pay you and just tell them, hey, you know, I sold your product. No, you have to sign up for the affiliate program first. And then from there, they'll give you a link. And then on that link is what you're gonna put on your ads, what you're gonna put, let's say, if you're gonna promote them on YouTube, you put it down in your description and everything, what exactly you're selling and everything. And then you go and you take that link and you paste it down in your description. And then, so when people go in and watch your YouTube video or your TikTok or your Instagram or whatever, it's like, and they want to see that item that you have, that you're promoting, then you go, they go into your description and they click the link and it'll direct them exactly and directly to the site, Amazon site and everything. But don't think that they're not going to know it's, you know, this traffic is coming from you. So basically the traffic, the link that they give you is linked to you. It's linked to your information. So they'll keep track of that. So I think it's like 24 hours, like any sales that they make to that specific person that had clicked on the link from your site, even if they got out of the site and they went back later, let's say like 3 to 5 hours, 10 hours later, it doesn't matter because they already clicked on it, on your link that directed them to their website. So whatever they buy during that time, even if it's something that you are not promoting, you will get I'm sorry, it's really late. So you will get commission for any sale that is made on that website that was directed from your link. So just in case you wanted to know about that. Yep, so I hope this video was helpful and happy affiliate marketing, you guys. Bye. Good luck.